Alright, set up the formation.
MAF team, wait on Nako's command.
Shay, did the PD start?
Yeah, it started.
Yeah.
We all know what to do. We had a whole.
I see
training.
mindlesses. Which
set up the formation. Set up the formation quickly.
MAF team,
You in the
swap
front, IC in
VC.
the second row. TSU, get down there.
MIS, swap VC. Join the VC.
MIS. Missing in sight.
Alright, spread out. North, spread out. North, spread out. North is not covered. Come on.
Hey boys, I'm just
Yes.
gonna say this. No, you'll be in the car in a minute, but not right now. Boys, let me just say this. This lift is shaking, bro. It's shaking so much.
Yeah, the
Yeah, I
lift can't share.
Alright, move down. North, move down a bit. I need more people north.
God damn, this thing is shaky as
I
hell.
don't want anybody hooking onto the lift. If I see
Okay.
anyone hooking on the lift, you're fucking axe out
fucking-
on the spot.
Yo, the fucking staff team is on the lift right now, swinging it side by side, bro.
Hold
Bro,
on, hold on.
I'm fucking
Hold
axe
on,
out on
hold
the
on.
spot.
Okay, formation, push up. You're way too close in. Push up, further out. Come on.
Yeah, push up.
The MP guy, don't run over the hill. Yeah.
I see you. Remember, I see.
Alright, I got it.
Alright, these suck.
Slow down on the hill because it might launch you up. Actually, never mind. We don't need to. We can go by it.
Yeah, there's one more person. Frag, come on me. On me.
Where the hell are you?
Fucking god, this is.
Rest of my
Frank,
super
hurry
freeze,
up.
where are you?
Hurry, look at the blue dot. Look at the
I
blue
thought
dot,
you
dumbass.
just died.
I don't see a blue down anymore.
You lucky
I
bastard.
think it glitched.
Keep going safe. Keep going
Don't
safe.
get on yet. Don't get on yet.
Oh, you're on the wall?
Do not get on the elevators yet. There's no need.
You see me?
Okay, Vanguard, where are you guys at? No one is helping us with the cards.
Good. Frag, kill these two. Frag, back me up. Frag, come back
Line
me
me
up.
up normal.
I see you.
Back
Alright,
me
bait
up,
them.
back me
I'll get the names. Bait them, I'll get the names.
Come back me up. I'm gonna take out one of them. Roger.
Good.
Alright.
Now go. Not
Alright,
Nice.
cool.
There's
Alright.
fucking. There's 6 of you going.
Yeah.
Only 2 needs to go.
I frag to the cart, to the left.
We've got
I
enough
don't know,
normal
let's
to-
hope it
Who
works.
the Wait, is that an MIA out there? There's a Titan drawn to the forest. There's a Titan drawn to the forest.
Trust no.
Yo, that might be
the MIA team's already there.
Okay,
Watch the forest.
Remember, they do not get into this formation. I see you act as support.
Alright, good.
Yo. We need some people north. we need
Good
some
work,
people
bro.
north.
That's what I like to see. I only saw 2 people engaging. Good shit.
Alright, hold on. Yeah, we need some people spread all around
No,
the
no,
formation.
no, no,
We're
no,
very
no.
west heavy.
That's already fine. No grounded.
We're very west heavy. Cover the north and south.
North is limited.
Yeah, don't fire flares. Just only
Flowers
fire
will just
flares
make it
during
laggier.
Come on, sensor.
Okay, do not engage. Do not engage. Engage the blonde.
We got some on the south.
Henry,
Third
stop moving.
line, the blonde abnormal that's coming in. Okay. Pull back, reform. Blind the abnormal.
Blind it. Don't be scared.
Okay. Reform.
Listen, don't be scared. You've got an entire branch behind you. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Alright, what you don't hold? Yo, time to go.
Reform. Reform the formation.
I said let the grade get closer, do not go for it.
Okay.
Alright, now you can go for it. Take it out real quick.
2
Oh.
devices.
we found it. The Titan's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, frag is take out, frag is multiple times. Let's go. Stick out this blonde one first. I got you back.
What happened with other cards? Where is it?
Yeah, I got you back on this one. Alright, back me up on this brown one.
Just kill it. Oh my god. Is anyone else?
Okay, abnormal coming, get ready to blind.
I don't know what's going on there, so
Yeah,
SMB
okay.
and
Yeah. Frag, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready to blind this. You're gonna blind or should I blind?
Do not engage any of these.
Frag, do you wanna blind or should I blind?
Alright,
Mind
North,
it,
get
don't
ready.
mind
Get
it.
ready to engage these mines.
Remember the practice you had last time. Remember the practice in the MT.
okay, we need some backup in here. Yeah.
Focus.
Okay.
I'm on my way up. Wait, hold on.
Focus the crowd. He's going to here for us.
Alright, come back to the walls. Yeah, there's a multiple times. Yeah, frag, get ready.
Kilo
They're all
Squadron, head
this
along
is
the
should be
wall.
easy.
Oh my god. Hold on. Kilo Squadron, head along the wall.
Alright,
Come on,
taking his blonde one.
Let's go.
Do not go. Crawler south.
I got you back, frag. Don't take that out.
Top. Blind the abnormal. West.
Wait.
Kill the
Wait.
madness.
SM, where's the cars? Oh, I see the cars.
Okay, the card just flight.
We're protecting the car. We're protecting. Yo, fuck, back. I'm normal.
Engage that blonde one. Would he have normal behind it? Would he have normal?
Watch
Okay.
Hold on.
Blind.
Watch out for taking my bad, frag, go ahead. Here.
Reform.
Kilo Scorpion, you should be along the south.
It's all the way out there. Come back.
Yo,
Oh,
punk,
we
yo,
got a
frag.
punk, we got a punk.
Frag.
I'll go with you two. Blind it. Wait, I'll block.
Oh, somebody's stuck in the ground.
You don't really need to.
Just stay there. Just stay there. Make sure
Hey,
you're
man,
recording.
that's what I did,
Somebody, if you're
Bro.
not recording,
Fine.
A lie,
guys,
bro.
you guys-
bro.
Say username.
Cars, get going.
See ya.
Cars, get going.
Alright, go for the blind. Get it. Get the high round.
Yo,
JD, don't drive. I'm lagging too much.
Alright,
Yeah,
get
I'm
it.
gonna
Blind
get
on
you right
blind west. Kill. Blind. Abnormal.
Get the crawler. Get the crawler.
Get ready for to come closer. I'm at 800 pounds.
Okay.
Kinda got a bit too far.
Denton, come to me.
Blind the crawler.
Oh, he didn't go even blinded. Nice.
That's too many of y'all. That's too many of y'all.
Left, you can left.
Yo, Vanguard, get ready. Vanguard, get ready.
I'm
Vanguard, get
being
ready.
scared. Hold on. Click on. Click on.
Take it
Cars
in the
on
grey,
their way.
take it in the grey.
Click on. Cars on their way. Kilo Squadron. I want you killing all these mindless.
Don't worry, I got it.
No one gets into this path. Remember the car at the back.
I thought that dude got grabbed.
Yeah, help the other card. There's Titans around
Yeah.
it.
Stop, bro. I saw that shit.
Wait, Mir. Can you get more people bolstered to the south, please? Because carts are inbound.
Southside push up. Southside push up. Start pushing up a little bit.
Blind out abnormal because we're close to it. Blind out abnormal because we're close to it.
Blind it up.
Don't let the gun in front of you.
Okay.
Behind us, frag, behind us.
Be first one there. Wait.
Alright,
Wait.
We'll make it. SM will make it. SM will make it. We'll make
Behind
it.
the card, behind the card.
Don't be scared.
If it gets
Make
too close,
wait.
Behind the card, behind the card.
Don't be scared.
If it gets too close.
Blind the crawler. Blind the crawler.
Take it, frag, take it.
Blind the crawler. Reform.
Did he die?
I gotta refill after this. I took a
Kill
lot
it,
of.
one cart's inbound.
Yes,
One
please.
cart's inbound. Clear the way. Clear the way.
His name was Groundhook. He just died.
I don't want to flip it.
No,
Okay, I
no,
need to
skip.
recall.
You're about to do probably the most dangerous fucking thing you saw.
Okay. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Who just went under the card? Come on. Get out of the way.
Crash into me, car driver. Okay.
Okay, Vanguard, make sure that Titans are not damaging the wall at all. There's some
Yeah.
minuses.
Alright, one cart's in. Go skim people. Go. You go a bit
Okay.
more.
Punk, get ready for punk. You're getting baited,
That'll
you're
do.
getting
Skim.
baited.
Skim. That'll do.
What
Okay,
the-
let's go. Alright, operators, get on the crane.
Why is it not dying, bro? It's so
Yo, yo.
buggy. It's so buggy, it's so
Yo, yo.
buggy.
Blind
It's
it,
so
blind
buggy.
it, blind the killer. Just blind the
I
killer.
got it. Holy shit.
Get ready, TLU.
I see you. Okay, look, we're all jumping around everywhere.
Goes on the left.
We're all jumping
There's
around
Titans
everywhere.
touching the wall.
Okay, I got the
a
body.
bit
He kills
out
that
there,
normal.
guys.
I need to kill him. But on normal, I'll clear out.
TLU.
Blind the kill. Blind the kill. Come on.
Spread out a little bit. TLU, spread out.
I will go blind it. I will go blind it.
Get the minus. Get the minus. Get the
Someone,
minus.
someone blame his fucking normal.
Get him.
What the
Someone
fuck?
blame his normal. Yo, I froze. Holy shit.
No,
Are you alive?
I'm
Are you alive?
at 3k bang, I'm at 3k bang.
Oh,
TLU, spread out.
Go ahead, I can pick you up.
Blind it.
Why do we have three people on one side? Come on. One of them come to my side.
Slowly.
One side.
Blind the blonde.
Take your time.
I'm almost not northwest. I'm almost northwest.
Adam, you're with me in the north. Let's go take out
Vivian.
the mindless.
Vivian.
I'm
Go down
almost
first.
northwest.
Take me too.
Yo, Aaron, your mic is cutting out, by the way.
God fucking damn
Um,
Alright.
wait,
my
wait,
fucking
wait,
God.
mindless on the north. Hey, north
Thanks for
side, don't
telling
go
me.
yet. Don't go yet.
No,
go
come
yet.
back.
Don't talk over each other. Don't talk over each other.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm clearing them out.
Here comes! Don't talk over each other.
On like this.
Jesus Christ.
There's a punk. Yo.
Yeah, I don't
Coming
know,
in
I
north?
saw it.
Coming in north?
I saw it.
Click in the wall. Use the. Okay, Vivian. I'm not sure if you should have took.
Yo,
Fuck
uh,
MIA, bro.
bro,
Look
Yeah.
for that MIA.
I'm at 3k ping though. That's the problem. Like, I'll keep freezing.
Yeah. Okay. SM, just keep baiting them. I'll Yo.
Damn it, I have
Yo,
it.
I need someone to come help me in SM with this
I
punk
don't
and
know. I
minus.
got it.
Just yet.
Alright, just stay away from that minus.
Just
Oh my
game your
God,
plan.
Spicer died.
Oh, I'm lagging, bro.
Hey, we got a crawler. We got a crawler.
Alright, north. Engage
Bro,
the
everything just froze for me.
For real, I'm at 8k
North-
ping.
Northwest, far back.
Yeah,
There's a
northwest,
mindless
northwest.
chasing someone.
North. There's an north.
Northwest,
all the way
someone's
north,
getting chased
north.
northwest.
Kilo, head
Five.
towards where the Titans are at the hills. Head towards
Blame
where the
it.
Titans are at the hills.
The Titan does. This Titan went
Okay.
too close. Oh my god, I'm one.
Jump down. Just get down. We need to get there as fast as possible.
I have
listen.
free keeping. I freeze.
Click on.
Punk.
Okay, please click on for a second.
Don't go too far, you fucking idiots. Come back. Whoever that is, come back.
Oh my god, please, let me talk. Alright, I see
You got stomped. You just got stomped. You just got stomped. That's your fault.
Oh my. Okay, look, the mindless is dead. Okay, fine. Fuck, too late.
Yeah, don't worry
This is,
about it.
I was trying to tell people, can we get some more reinforcements? And we could have saved him, but everyone just kept fucking talking over each other.
We had problems with the formation.
I don't even know what's
But then
going
you
on.
know,
I have
okay,
like
yeah,
4
you-
keeping.
You
Team's in your job, don't worry about it.
Bro, I keep freezing. I don't know if it's just a server or it's me, but
Nah,
I'm
it's
at 89.
Me too. I keep freezing too.
TK. Fuck.
Respect the thing. We have MT for it.
Nobody should be going to the lift. Even if you're Vanguard. Only
Okay,
captain
if-
should
Reform. This mindless is just. Reform it. And shut up. Don't talk over each other. If it's not necessary.
Alright, Southwest, 2 abnormals. Get ready to blind us. No one should be going that far out. Remember,
you
TK.
watch. Southwest.
I'll
Watch.
blind it. I'll blind it.
Watch the southwest.
TK, watch it. Okay, watch it now.
Don't engage.
Why there's 4 people? No need for that.
Reform, you're just all clumped up together. Reform now.
Just have to
2 high arms. Careful.
Hey,
Hey,
listen,
blind
listen.
it.
North. Mindless will touch the
Blind
wall.
it, blind it, blind it.
Hey, get these.
That's a point. That's a point.
Henry and Frozen, go for those mindless. Clear them,
That's a
clear
void.
them.
That's a void. No.
Okay, we don't care if it's void. Don't talk about it.
The builders just stand.
Oh my god. I'm
Coming in. They're coming in.
I'll go.
TOU, blaze in. Whoever that is, blaze in. Blaze in. And TOU. TOU, blaze in. Blaze in. Good.
Okay, don't worry.
I have 4 keeping.
Alright, it seems they're being TP'd.
Reform. This is just mindless. You don't need to be spread out that much.
Thank you.
There's no people on West, and shut up for now. If it's not necessary, they know to have to reform. There's no need to repeat that.
Hey, that's good.
Blind and kill. There's 2 high arms. Don't
Save him,
risk
grab,
it.
save him.
Mindless is on top. Good job. Just 2 people. Good job. A crawler on north.
I got the collar,
Good job.
Blind, blind. Taking it out. I'm taking this grey one. Don't come back. Whoever that is, north, come back. You're going too far. Just chill out. No need to go too far. Just back on.
Exactly.
West, headed in the crawler.
Crawler coming
Yo,
in.
what you guys
The
got?
formation has been pushed back. Go forwards. Do not stand
Alright.
still.
Southwest,
Okay,
southwest.
north,
And
north,
stop grumping up.
Punk, get the punk.
Don't mind.
Save him.
Save him.
Guys, come back.
Without TK, there's too much TK.
Southwest,
Oh my god.
mindless. Just clear the mindless out.
Hey, can I get a gas pack at the center? Can I get a gas pack at center?
Here
I
you
need gas
go.
pack at center. Why is this gas pack dude running away from me? You don't wanna...
For all, I push this formation up a tiny bit.
Yeah,
If we're getting
push
pushed
it
back,
up,
we're getting
push
pushed
it
back.
up. South, push up.
Alright, push.
Push up.
North,
West,
north.
you
Push
guys
up
are
to my
good.
yellow
West is
flare.
good.
North, push up to my yellow flare. Push up to my yellow
South and
flare.
west, push up.
Push up to my yellow flare. Come on.
There's lacking people on southwest. Fix it up.
Hey, man.
Stop
Guys,
camping up. There's no
southwest,
need
push
for
up to
that.
the stables. Push up to the stables.
Man, I need to go refill because the gas
We
pack
hate
is running
him.
away.
Alright.
You coming with or?
High arms. Blind and kill. Good job.
Arms coming from the forest.
Crawler.
I'll come with
Careful
you.
about it.
Line to kill. Get the high arm. Hurry up.
Okay, good job.
Northwest. Sorry, I know.
Blind it. Good
Okay,
shot.
I got it.
good shot.
Thanks for the cover. Thanks for the cover, you both.
Yeah.
It's decreasing.
Who's
Alright,
dead?
get the. Alright, come back. Come back.
Go, man.
Henry, stand still. I got you.
Adam. Oh,
Fucking
what?
striker.
That's
West.
fine, Sergeant.
Good
Alright,
line,
doesn't matter,
good
doesn't matter.
line.
We'll focus on the battle ahead. Focus on
Good
the battle
line.
ahead.
Yeah, I froze again. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, yes, same. Is it just me and SM frozen so much, or
No, it's everybody.
You're too far. Don't.
Everybody, it's just
Take out these
everybody.
minuses.
I have 4K ping right now? Like I don't see anything.
Already got a lot of digits.
Bro, this is surprising right now. I got, what, 84 ping consistently.
I have
until it goes up
90.
to, like,
This might be
20.
a CA server.
Oh, yeah, it's cutting. The server's cutting.
This is a New York. This server was made in my house, my guy.
Joe, we need to
Probably Washington or CA.
Frozen, Henry.
Yo, who's that car getting baited to the wall? Right, I'm gonna take it out.
Yeah, get off the wall. Get off the
Oh
wall.
my god, bro, who's on the wall over there?
Yo,
You
we're
just
doing so
destroyed
well
the
right
ring
now. Why is it only
more.
4%? We're doing so good. Oh, there we go, 21. Let's go, baby. Alright, yo,
Okay,
yo,
okay.
south side, push up to the stables, push up to the stables, the first
We
stable,
push
push
up
up to
to
the
the
line
Frogs.
right here.
Stop going beneath the tree. You
Oh,
should
there we
be
go.
above
Now
the
my
tree.
ping goes up. My ping goes
You
up to
should be
1k.
Okay, Brad.
Sorry.
You need to be further out, FEU, and I see you for that back. You're taking
Yeah,
hits,
FEU,
yes,
go
we have
up.
taken hits. Now fucking go forward, stop going back.
Don't let these Titans push you back.
Exactly.
Alright,
And they're
go,
already
go.
fucking
North,
behind us.
north.
You fucking
Okay, but-
so deep. Further out now.
Oh,
Further out now.
hold up.
Down.
With that, keep in
Oh.
mind that respect your TK rules. We don't want another PD like last time. Like, I
Oh,
understand you guys want to clear out Titans far out, but do not
Oh,
jump
yeah,
on
fuck
them.
this
Oh,
lag,
my
bro. Every time they change that freeze.
Alright, blind
Blind
kill
kill,
those
blind
bananas.
kill. Well done, well done.
Fuck,
Alright, get rid
Tanaka.
of those mine. Do not go for the mindless.
Hello?
Wait,
Holy
wait for it to
shit.
get close.
You know, whatever.
Oh my gosh, it spikes.
Let the mindless west get closer. Southwest, y'all can take care of them.
Oh,
There's
so
a
this is
builder,
the
a builder's fallen off the cart. A builder has fallen
Doesn't
off the
matter.
cart.
Doesn't matter.
this is the one where I
Just
I'm
let
beginning to get
him
these.
stay
Hey,
there.
I know what's happened. Don't worry about it. I'm keeping an eye.
If you need
I'm
me
not going
to
to
pick
speak
him back up, I'll
much,
pick him
but
back
when
up.
I speak,
I
listen,
see you, we
please.
push forward. I see you, we push forward. You're too deep. Do not
We
stand in
hear
the border,
him.
stand by the tree. You're filling in with FEU now.
Okay, by the way, people with what's called gas packs and blaze packs, go more to the rock so people can find you easier.
Fucking please.
I need a vanguard. I'm trying to see if I can do this.
Yeah, I'll go.
Do
Yeah,
what?
Head to me.
Skim,
Head to
please,
the wall.
stand still. Skim,
Head to
stand
the
still.
building.
Yo, you
Alright,
head near the
Can
rock.
you snap
Run around
and
the
cut
rock.
the builder that sort of fell and
Oh my
died? He hasn't
God, turning around.
completely
Thank you.
fallen.
Where
Want
did
you
he
to go
fall
down
down?
there? If you check down the build, he's sitting
Yeah,
on the
that's
wall.
what I said, but let said no.
Alright, get that punk.
Get the
Alright,
fuck-
get ready to come closer.
Let it get closer.
And then
Hey,
go
Tanaka,
for the
do you
blind.
want me to do- Tanaka, do you want me to just
Who?
leave?
Who's the one who fell down?
Blind kill it. Blind
If you
kill it.
look up on the wall,
They're
Oh,
taking
oh,
rock.
it's in there.
Don't
Oh, I
talk
see him, I
over
see him,
each
I see him, I see
other.
him.
Shut up.
Do you want me
Shut
to
up!
detain-
Let Shady talk.
Alright, Lucas, I got you blind.
Someone's
Yeah.
already doing it, but I was gonna say, can't we detain the builders and take them up back?
I put
Yeah,
I
that's what
brought
I
it. I
just
did
said.
that. I just did that. I did
That's
that.
what
I
I
did
just
that.
said. Don't worry about it.
I put it
Leave
back on there.
close to me.
There's a big gap, southwest.
Big cap. Big cap.
All people are like grouping on the west. Why there's 3 people standing still?
There's
Come on.
nobody northwest either. I need you to go.
Okay.
You guys want Titan kills? There your chance goes. Why are you guys not covering some sides? I don't understand that.
Gas and blade packs
Yeah.
are people who are on top of the wall.
Shift, shift.
VG, get ready. Vanguard, get ready. Vanguard, get ready.
Don't go on the wall. Stay on the wall. Stay on the
Continuation,
ground.
continuation,
Hold
continuation,
formation,
continuation.
hold formation. Don't
Be
be
a
scared.
fucking mission, get back down here.
Yeah, get back down,
I
get back down.
told you to go up.
Complete the mission.
What is it?
Complete the
What is
mission.
it? What is it? What is it?
Nothing,
We
no
don't see it. We
visual.
don't know yet. We don't know yet.
No,
Look in the background. Do you see it? Yo, Titans are being baited towards the forest. It's probably back there.
Northwest.
Vanguard,
Don't go
let's
to the
shoot-
forest.
Yo,
Don't
you
go to
do
the
not.
forest.
Alright, both get ready.
SM,
Get ready.
SM, you wanna go investigate?
Alright, Frag,
Yo,
go
you
left,
leave
get
it
ready.
be.
Back
Let
up,
Vanguard do their thing.
Go for it.
Vanguard do their thing.
Alright, clear comms.
Stop
clear
talking
comms.
about each
Aye.
other.
Let me Frag, let me Frag.
I'm in Northwest Forest right now.
The builders are defenseless if something happens.
Okay, keep them building for now. We don't see
I
any
don't
threat.
see
We
anything
just know
back
so
here.
much.
Right
anything
now,
back
there's
here.
no threat, it's just a light.
Okay, there's nothing.
There's nothing here. What?
Here, right, just-
Oh, I
Scream,
hear it.
scream. What is that?
Banshee Titan.
West. Horde
I
coming
hear,
from west.
I hear. Yo,
Oh, I
surface,
see the horde. There's
Don't go
Sure.
too far. Don't go too far.
Yo, Frag, retreat back. Frag, we're back.
I'm going back to the wall. I'm going back to the wall.
Keep the formation. Don't be afraid
Oh,
for
there's
now.
a huge horde west. Y'all see that?
North, look up.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see it.
alright, listen. Alright, that's what I saw was that
Hey, yo,
it's coming from
Horde baby on me right now.
west. It's coming from west.
Kill those Titans.
Oh my god, let me speak. Alright, it's coming from west and it spawned a horde on them. So it's either the founding ten, never mind, Outlaw, you know. But
Banshee.
It's the Banshee.
yeah, or the Banshee.
That scream was the Banshee.
That's a Banshee.
I see the silhouette of it in the background. I think. No, that's just regular
I know.
Titans. Never mind. I saw where this. Yo,
Okay,
I
know,
saw where the
God,
Titans
please.
spawned and I didn't see it. So,
No, that's not
Don't
a regular
talk over
Titan
each
back
other.
there. That's not a fucking regular Titan. Look at the way it walks.
Okay, please, can I fucking say this? What do we
Let's
know
talk
about the
straight
Banshee
up.
Titan? What do we know about them?
It's
It's
Yeah, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there.
Clear comms,
It's
clear
hardening.
comms.
It has
Like Galaxy
hardening
say,
on it.
like
You know,
Galaxy
it's the beast. I see him. It's west.
He looks brown.
Yeah,
He
I
looks
see him.
brown.
He's west. I'm watching him right now.
Also about rocks.
He has Titan
What are we doing
hardening on
about the
his
builder
hand.
then? What are we doing
His
about
eyes
the
are red.
builder?
His eyes are red.
Hey yo, where's motherfucking
Titan hardening.
Kruger
Spawning,
Sugimoto when you need him, my guy?
Okay, listen.
Horde west.
I'm not-
prepare.
Ah, where's
Listen, we prepared for this in the MT.
Okay.
Blind and kill. Blind
Yeah,
and kill. We
prepared.
practiced
This
Listen
is
to me. Listen to me. Secure all builders. Secure all builders. Don't let them stay in the elevator for now.
Let's go.
Blind and kill. Blind
You
and
know,
kill.
let him stay in the elevator for now.
We ready,
Yes,
boys.
yes,
We
yes.
ready.
Blind and kill, boys. We prepared for this.
Blind and kill. We did this. This is easy. This is nothing.
Yeah, this is
wrong.
easy.
I know.
It's nothing.
Blind and kill. Don't
Lightweight,
TK.
bro. Punk. Get that punk. Get that punk. Easy. That's what I'm telling y'all. This is easy. This is nothing.
Do we get the builders up in the wall or not?
Yes, I said that 3 times.
Vanguard, go.
Kill you.
Yo, I just had the
Where are you?
biggest lag spike of my entire career.
If you guys spot a beast, do not let builders stay on the elevator for now.
What the hell is you doing?
No, it's no beat. It's the Banshee.
It's Banshee.
Someone said it's a beast.
No, it's not. It's not the beast.
No, the builders can stay.
No, it's the beast.
TOU,
No, it's the
get down
beast,
there.
bro. It's not.
TOU, get down. TOU, get
Okay,
down.
okay,
now.
get builders down then.
Yo, you
If
get
there's
the
no
hell
beast, then it's fine.
Banshee,
Just
Banshee.
fucking grab them. Because someone
It's
just
fine.
said
It's fine.
they
It's fine.
were-
It's fine.
TOU, bring the hell down.
I don't know
Alright,
who
clear
said there's
comms,
a
clear
beast.
comms, Clear comms. Let
It's
builders-
fine. It's fine now. It's
They
fine
can
now.
keep building. They can keep building. It's fine.
Stop talking
Blind
about
now,
not
focus on this.
necessary
Blind
things.
and kill.
Watch for a
Okay, my
walk
ping is back to normal now, guys.
Ah, nice.
Nice.
It went to fucking 5K for a whole 20 seconds.
Okay, listen.
Okay,
This Titan's
talk
northwest. I don't have to be banked towards something. Northwest. Forest.
Northwest Forest. Yeah, I saw it earlier, and I went there, and there was nothing there.
Okay, I'm gonna go
on. You stack the
investigate.
trees?
Oh,
I'm gonna
oh,
investigate.
it's gone, it's gone, it's gone.
No.
just leave it alone.
Yeah, don't investigate
They're
it.
on a tree. They're on. It's on a tree. It's on a tree.
Who's on a tree?
It's the MIA team. Don't worry about it.
There's something north, brown or some shit. I don't know.
Alright, get ready for Northwest.
Oh! It
North.
went over there.
Oh,
It went over
Banshee's
there.
on the right side.
It's on
Careful.
the right side. I didn't see it. It's on the right side. I didn't see it.
Bro, there's
Running
literally
away.
somebody out there. What do you mean?
Yeah,
No,
just
it's the
walking off.
It's going
Oh,
back
it's
to the
running?
Northwest Forest. It's going back to the Northwest Forest.
Yo.
Oh, I see it. Yes, the Banshee.
I know. He spawned. I might have right next to
okay.
it.
That's like-
Where do you see that frag?
Northwest.
Yeah.
I'm trying to beat.
He spawned it right next to it.
Northwest, boys.
Alright, get shit.
It's back at the Northwest Forest, guys.
We have no equip. I don't want to. I don't really want to engage it, to be honest.
I see it. It's staying really far away. Yo,
try
Cannon's
attack it,
working
try
lore.
attack
Cannon's
it.
working lore, guys. I might stop.
No, don't try attack it. No. Stay with the formation. We need you guys guys here.
Blind that roll, blind it.
Infiltrating, we're good.
TK.
Careful for TK.
What is this formation? You
God.
come back again. There's no one on North. Come on, fix it up.
There's nobody west
Northwest,
now.
reform, make a line. Come on.
Why did y'all all go north? Y'all go west. Go back to your spot. Go back to your spot.
Alright, get ready for that abnormal.
From the forest. From the forest. From the forest.
Yeah, northwest. We can't need to split up and we blind and kill. We practice this.
We're
We
gonna
practice
blind
this.
and kill. This is an easy horde. Come on now. We
Let's
did
go.
10
Get
times
ready,
already.
Come on, easy. Let's do it, boys. Get ready.
Scared, you've got a branch behind you. Come on, we're SG. Don't be scared.
Aight,
For real, blind and
Hey,
kill. We're
oh
gonna
my
kill
God, oh
engage.
my God, oh my God.
Fucking die. Let's do it, boys.
Engage it now.
Get in there. Get in there.
Engage it now. That's
Blind
easy. That's
it.
easy. Blind and kill all of them. Just go for the blinds. Go for the
Let's
blinds.
go.
If you get grabbed, that's good.
Oh,
Get a
TK.
grab, that's good. So it's an easier kill.
Exactly.
Thank you for your sacrifice, bitch.
See,
Oh,
that's
never
fine.
mind. Oh no, you saved them nice. You saved them
Yo,
nice.
we got
Okay,
nobody
good,
west.
good, good,
Yo, we got
Alright,
nobody
reform,
south. We
reform.
got nobody southwest. Southwest, we need more.
Reform.
Fix it up. Fix it up.
Yeah.
Reform.
Alright, reform.
Remember,
Hey, the
watch it
Banshee,
for TK.
Banshee Titan's gone. Banshee Titan's gone.
Can we get the builders back down?
Vanguard, are we gonna go?
The builder should be building. The builder should be building.
Why did people bring them up but not back down? Put them back.
I told her to put them back. Come on now.
Push,
Builder should be building right now.
Blind and kill that high arm. Good job.
North. Push up.
Punk.
Sorry, Vanguard is lagging right now.
Abnormal,
Please
abnormal.
message at a different time.
Again, the strange man called him Banshee is gone.
Banshee Titan is gone. We shitted on him.
I mean,
Okay,
I'm the best
reform. There's much
He ran away
split in
'cause we shit on
southwest
him
in the
so hard.
formation.
Reform,
Yeah,
building
no,
the top
I
player.
think that's all the builders.
Yeah,
We
thank
should call
you,
him
thank you.
the
Like I said,
Poopy Titan, bro.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Y'all see that tree over there northwest, right? It's being attracted to time.
Yeah, it's getting bait towards something.
Yeah, I don't know who's over there, but if
Yeah, I don't know.
if get you over
It's
there,
a MIA. It's a MIA.
It's the MIA team. Don't worry about that.
Oh, I thought the MIA. Oh, the MIA didn't die.
No, you
There's
did.
more than one MIA.
Oh.
Abnormal,
I
Southwest.
don't know. Yeah, the
Holy
MIA
shit, this game be giving me the
Hey,
biggest
are you
lag
sure they
spike
don't
ever.
need help? Like that's a lot of abnormals over there.
They're good. They're good. Trust me.
Alright.
Dude, these guys
I
are
told you,
SRE. These guys
in this
are
abnormal.
SRE.
Alright, that's good.
I froze.
I'll be freezing every 10 seconds. Welcome to the
Alright,
party.
come back. That's too many of y'all.
Yo,
My bad.
boss
Come back,
down,
reform,
boss down,
reform.
boss down.
Reform. What happened with the formation? There's no one north. And I mean west.
Y'all don't kill that Titan.
Kill it already.
yeah, good job. Okay.
FBU, SG as a whole,
Hey,
you're being pushed back. Get it forward.
What's the formation? Reform. This is just mindlessness. Reform it.
Nobody west. Nobody west.
Alright, get
Northwest,
those.
Yo,
northwest,
Aaron, you're being
northwest.
there towards home.
Go grab, save him.
I got you.
Nice.
Yo,
Kill
why
it.
is this thing way too close? This thing's way too close in formation.
Push out. What I say? Push back out to the host.
Watch out for
Push
TK.
out.
Almost died.
My guy.
Push out.
To the
Save
host
him.
thing.
Oh, he saved himself. Nice.
Alright, good.
Push
Come
out.
back.
Push out. Oh, I
Hey,
got
don't
hit
kill.
here.
Hey, don't kill.
Push
the
it, push it.
Don't kill the Watcher.
Yo, northeast, push it on me.
Alright, I'm normal southwest. If you minus,
Push
then
out
I'm normal
towards you. Alright, push
southwest.
out towards. Oh, push
Yo,
out.
Lucas, that's it. Northeast, push
So
on me.
south side. Push up to the
Northeast,
horse
push
turn,
out,
bro.
push out. to where I'm
Blind,
jumping.
Southwest blind.
Nice. Alright,
Punk,
tomorrow
blind
normals
to
west.
punk, nice. Blind to
Southwest.
abnormal blind.
West.
Nice.
Y'all get
Good
towards
shit.
me.
Okay, chill down now.
This
We
is how
don't
we
need
do
to
it.
scream anymore.
Okay.
The situation is under control.
Alright.
Okay, from now on, I will introduce some new rules into VC. This shit is too messy. Do not call out Titans. They can see them. If only talk if it's necessary.
Okay.
The formation should be adjusted a little bit. The west is lacking. There's no one in the west. Where's the trees at? There's clump of people on southwest though, so fix it up.
I get
Moderate.
Okay, south
Southwest.
and north. Yeah, they can see Titans. Don't worry about now.
No, that floor was from the MIA team.
Speedy Fellow has been on for like 20 hours. It's just lasting forever.
Okay, reform now. There is time to reform.
I'm gonna stop my recording
Stop
because I think it's
punking
making me
out,
lag.
By the way, did NMIA got saved already or not?
One of them died.
Looking for the second one, first one died.
Oh wow, that is not my recording software at all. It's just, I don't know.
Again, don't worry
Okay,
about
high
it.
arm. You guys get that.
TOU, declump.
Get the caller.
Alright, good job. Reform again. Yeah, this comms is much better. Everyone can talk when they
Also,
actually
who the
need.
fuck of the trees are damaged, bitch?
For real.
The MIA team does. Oh shit.
No, don't,
We
no,
need
don't.
help. Should we help?
No, do not help. They are using these Titans to help them.
What?
I think they're baiting the
The Titans are on humanity's side?
No, they're using the Titans to find the MIA.
Oh.
They'll just get towards us if they need help.
They're pretty smart. I don't know.
Hey, who is that? Come back. If you're
Yeah,
not
Eric,
engaged,
come
I'll
back.
block here. Come back. Alright, you can kill the crawlers, but like, shit, come back.
Holy shit, I'm so, like, what the fuck? The first half of this PD, my Wi-Fi was crisp. So good. Now that shit went to 8.
It's not really important right now.
Uh-oh.
Alright, engage us.
Engage is mindless. Alright, good.
Careful for
Come back.
TK.
Okay, I'm completely froze.
Oh, not me.
Oh my god.
Alright, that was too many of y'all that time. It was 4.
Yeah, Momo, get ready for the high armor, Momo. You ready to bind it?
TOU, stop clumping up.
Remember, 3 people,
TOU,
3 people.
declump. Declump, TOU.
Oh, push
Thank you.
up, south, push up. Why y'all so close? Y'all shouldn't be near the rock.
Alright, good.
Sure.
Southwest clear those.
Oh,
Reform.
reform, boys.
There's no people on north compared to the south. Come on.
I must
And
be
why people are so far out in there?
Save 'em,
Come
save 'em,
back a
save 'em.
little.
Oh, TK.
Not everyone.
Wait for it.
Whoever is now.
I legit said I rather that person who got grabbed death than you guys TKing each other so much. Because you're risking to kill more people like Kuldur or Anakin last PD.
For real.
Exactly. Like, we worked on this in MT, come on.
Like, I don't care. Next time if someone dies because of TK. Every single person that TK that person will be fucking DT.
I think Aaron, you're baiting them again. You're baiting the tanks towards the wall.
Oh, yeah, hold on. Science to the wall, science to the wall.
That's my don't worry about that.
Okay,
Don't kill him.
it's towards the wall.
It's touching the wall.
Dead.
Yeah.
Come back, come back,
I
come
got
back.
it, don't worry. Just focus on your formation. You're fine.
The server is the worst thing ever.
Oh, that's
Okay, if they go to sleep, don't engage them, but still engage them until they actually.
You already
Do not engage if they are asleep.
Do not interfere with the MIA team. They know what they're doing.
Yo, watch out, yo, I'll go you, I'll heal you.
If they're getting a bunch of titans together, they have reasons for it.
I'll go you,
My bad.
Let them come closer, this is just mindlesses. And reform, there's no one in the southwest of the formation if you fill it up. There's just one guy there.
I'm gonna go from south to east. Everyone went to the north.
And just froze forever, dude. Oh my god.
Lag, I almost froze there.
The shit is so long.
I did freeze there.
TLU, try not to put three of you in the same place. TLU, up, spread out.
Standing in more straight line than a semicircle. Come on. I literally did an hour and a half training on you guys to do the fucking formation. Please stick to what I showed you. You should be in front of the tree, not behind it. That should be your marker.
Okay, the formation is pretty okay right now.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay, keep it. It's not that hard. Just come back to the place where you went from. It's not that hard to understand it. Like, if we need help on other side, I will call you guys down. Not everyone, because you guys switching from one side to other so much, which makes the whole mess. And I'm gonna repeat it one more time. If someone gets grabbed, yes, you need to save him, but don't risk killing someone mid-saving because of TK.
Hey, we gotta. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, let's take some
That's
closer.
ICU north,
Watch your, bro. You should not blind in there. That was a bad blind, but alright.
Alright, engage north.
The MIA team requested nobody goes near the forest.
Alright, good.
Okay. You hear him? No one
Stay
near.
away from the forest. Do not go in the forest.
Get the focus out! Yo! It was a vanguard. Don't kill titans near the forest. Oh,
Tommy?
it was Tommy.
Was it me?
He was a
Tommy's
part of
MIA.
it. Yeah, he's a the team. So he knows what he's doing, don't worry.
Yo, why you only got all of Vanguard with Tommy?
Damn.
Titan. Near the forest, and they really should not be there.
Okay, so that's Tommy. End of the story.
Wait, I heard a ship though.
Steel, shut up.
Yeah, it was a Banshee, but yeah.
Doesn't matter, still. We're gonna talk later.
Okay.
Hey, yo, what happened to TLU? TLU is not gonna get no mention.
Yeah, I'm not engaging them.
Oh.
No, it's fucked up.
Fuck? Oh shit.
Guy.
Oh yeah, I froze.
I wouldn't be
again.
surprised if
I
there was
don't
only
even know
one
what-
or two deaths from this PD.
Striker died.
There's a lot more.
Striker died?
Yeah, he had.
I know there's at least two.
Sane
died
too.
Okay, yeah, that's not a lot.
Yeah, we can cry about Lego deaths later. Just shut up now.
Exactly. Wait.
Spread out, TLU. TLU, declump. TLU, declump.
Wait.
Okay, abnormal is your priority on south.
Hey, Rail, if you're alive, can you come to the boulder, please? I can't actually find you. Oh, okay, you are there. Okay, cool. Why?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, don't even go near the forest. Let the MIA team do their thing. We only deal with what comes to us. We don't deal with.
Oh, they're finding close. Oh shit.
Yeah, push out. They start
Push
running.
up, push up.
Yeah, watch it, man.
Fix the formation on south. You guys are too far out though on the south. Alright, you hear the last Titans, so just be careful, don't die now. Come back a little bit closer. Like stay on the line, but you know, a little bit.
Near the first table.
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's good then. We can call it a day very soon, boys. We're nearly home free.
Not yet.
Not yet, but I'm saying we're nearly home free.
I didn't get TK'd one time this entire PD.
Nigga, I got TK 2 times.
You jinxing me.
I got
What you doing?
kicked once.
You jinxed me. What you doing?
Dude, you're about to be fucking
Alrighty.
an assassin.
Bro, that lift is about to tip over.
Yeah, do not. Fucking better not. Not go near the lift either.
It really is, isn't it?
The builders also know what they're doing.
Construction
76,
done.
nearly
76. Let's push. Push hard. Push hard.
Let's push. Alright, someone blame this Ginger, please.
Okay.
Hey, can we get some people north? Can we get some people north? We got a big gap here.
Yeah, we're good on north. We're good. We're good. We got a bunch of people, and they're both experienced.
All right, now we do. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, good. That was 2 people. Come back.
You just don't need to be scared when a whole horde of clumps come at you. You just need to be ready to blind them.
All right.
So I realized that last time everyone started running away.
Being scared is for pussies. Being ready is for men.
This chill ass PD now. Why VC couldn't be like all the time?
Cause we're not gay.
Okay, it's full night. They might still sleep. Okay, don't kill them. Don't kill them.
Okay, don't. TOU.
Got so lucky.
Supplying.
They're not killed.
Start supplying TOU.
How much? Are these the last ones? Yeah. Oh,
Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Don't kill him.
Don't kill. Don't kill TOU. Start supplying.
Alright,
You never know what's gonna happen.
Oh.
Yo, watch it.
Keep the formation.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Wait, the wall.
Get the builders off! Get the builders off! Now!
Get away from the wall. Get away from the wall.
It was cracking. It was cracking. Builders, get the builders off. Vanguard, help.
Go! Anyone with handcuffs, go! Go quick!
Are they on the lift?
Squadron, Keto squadron, get those fucking builders out of here. Everyone who's on the
I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one.
Get away from the wall now. Get
Get away from the wall. Get away from the wall. Get away from the wall.
Stay there. Stay there.
TOU,
Stay
get away
there.
from the wall. TOU, get away from the wall.
Builders get running. Run along the wall. Construction.
TOU, get away from the wall. TOU, get away from the wall.
Alright, everyone, hold the formation, but keep your distance.
Come back, come here.
We don't know what's happening. We don't know what's happening.
Get from the elevator. Keep away from the elevator. TOU, whoever that TOU is on
What
the
do we
wall.
do
get
with the
away from it.
builders?
Run away from the wall.
Alright, run.
Everyone dip. Everyone dip. Everyone go to the south side of the wall.
Don't go near that wall.
There's nobody on it.
Move from away. Move from the wall. Move from the wall. It can collapse. It can collapse. The elevator can collapse.
The elevator's gonna go.
Also, no one should be on top of the wall. Try not to be on top of the wall. The wall can. That's not part of the
Are they
wall.
gonna make that shit fall? Considering how like topsy it is, you know, freaking and shit.
Oh, what the fuck? What he means? Like,
Bishop,
oh,
move
my
from
God.
the-
Keep going. Don't clump up. If you guys are on the wall, do not clump up.
Hold the formation still.
Hold the formation, yeah. Look, we just keep. Alright, listen. This is how we're gonna do this. FU and ICU, keep your eyes pinned on those titans. Do not move your thing. HRs and Vanguard, we are going to focus on this wall. If anything else happens, then we can just. Or then we can just.
Oh,
That team.
You frag, get off the wall. Frag, get off the wall.
I mean, do not kill those sleeping titans. Do not kill those
Galaxy,
sleeping titans.
Galaxy,
Yeah.
Galaxy, call the MIA team back. This is-
Yeah, I did.
We're
I
back.
did. I
Ready,
did.
we're back.
Don't
We're
worry.
back.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Right, everybody should be on
TOU,
the ground.
TOU.
Everyone should be on the ground.
Apply for
Even
Okay.
those who are holding the lift.
TOU, supply
Those
for
who are
SG
holding
while
the
we
lift,
can.
get on the ground
We
too.
don't know what's gonna happen. TOU, supply for SG. We don't know what's gonna happen.
Wait.
Oh, the fucking thing, bro.
There's a face
Wait.
in there.
There's a face.
Don't go near it.
Oh,
Don't go near it.
Hey, don't go near. Don't go near.
Oh
don't go
hell
near.
no!
Everyone, get away from it.
It's nighttime. It's nighttime though. We're chilling. It's nighttime though. We're chilling. It's nighttime though. We're
Who
chilling.
is near it?
Get away from it.
Get away, get away, get away, get away. TOU, get away.
It's steaming. Careful.
We need to cover that up. We need to cover that up.
I'm not sure that.
No, don't fucking do anything.
I'm playing. I'm playing.
Shut up, Shady. You two. Just chill. We don't know what to do now. Just Vanguard. I only want Vanguard around. One Earth.
Yeah,
Blind
everybody
it, guys!
get
Blind it!
Kidding,
Nobody get near it.
Alright, yo, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna check it.
It's
Okay.
steaming
That's
too.
crazy,
It's
dog.
almost
Okay,
like-
send me my permission to check it out. Don't shoot it though.
It's necessary to cover one.
So what the fuck? What are we supposed to
It
do?
looks like a fucking.
Alright,
Oh, yeah, we have to
covers
cover
with.
it. Listen,
covers
we
with
gotta
these
cover it up
nuts.
though, because
Yeah,
if it
wait.
hits the
Wait.
sun-
Wait.
if it sees the light,
get
if
the
it
pen.
sees the sunlight, it's gonna wake up.
Okay, so.
Okay, so I need all Vanguard here. You gonna guys help me with that? No one else can go near it.
Listen. It looks like it's half shifted. It still looks like it's it's not fully.
Okay, we need to cover it somehow. I don't fucking know how you want. I believe.
I have an idea.
Bro,
Yeah,
that's-
come Shady. You can Shady. You can come
we
here.
wasted all our time.
Okay, look.
Galaxy, get off that
Hold on.
lift.
Alright, listen. We have two options really. We can either move the crane over and then kind of like stick it.
It's not that
stick the
simple.
Already
Nah,
broken
nah.
down crane, or we can get this rope that's attached.
Oh,
to
you
the
know what we
crane
can do?
to
No.
We can get a cloth. We can get a cloth.
Listen. We can get Swarmzo to pick up this rock.
And then
Tell
throw
me-
it in
Swarmzo
there.
is not here. You genius.
Swarmzo isn't here.
And then
I mean,
Smash is
now.
gonna fall out mid daytime PD.
Can we?
He's gonna pick up the rock and put it in.
Nigga, the rock
Wait,
is
listen,
too big.
listen. Can't we
Can't
use a cloth? Can't we
Yeah,
use
you
a
can just
cloth
use a
from the
cloth or
cart
something.
to?
Nah, let's just get a cloth from the fucking HQ, guys. Fuck it.
Okay.
That's the easy way out.
I'll go grab it.
Well, he
Let's all
means
go grab it.
still
We
have
probably
to
need more than
rebuild
one
the
person to
elevator,
grab
though. We
the
still have to
big
rebuild the
cloth.
elevator, though.
That can come at a later time. This is more
We
important.
literally have to put the cloth on. What do you mean?
You do know you don't know that the time will wake up.
Okay, did you get someone get
He
close?
told to do this.
He told us.
I did Star takes enormous cloth covering Star. Now I'm gonna come to
We
the.
do know because MAI team has been fully recalled. We do know because Titans sleep in debt.
Yo, someone do Star helps cover with enormous cloth. Hold up.
I'll do it.
Someone do gets cloth from cart, and then
Yes.
covers
Oh, yeah.
covers wall with cart.
What does he mean, Tanaka? What? Oh yeah.
He has enormous cloth
By
covering.
the way, it is.
Okay,
easy,
so
why not
go.
wanna go?
Okay, no. Everyone who's helping, just hook around it, and try bring cover it with it.
That's basically.
Caspian's use RDM.
Hey, keep moving. Don't stand still. We're not done yet.
That's not everybody. That's just HRs.
House cover it with enormous cloth.
Just
God,
Ranch
this
and
is
Vanguard should be here.
So this is SG blanket, guys. SG blanket.
On Jai. Everybody go there. Everybody go. The Titan has been properly covered.
Let's go, baby.
Alright, go back.
So not only did we encounter the Banshee Titan, we encountered the Wall Titan.
Also, I heard, I saw steam coming off it. Listen, I saw
Yeah, I
steam
saw
coming
steam
off
coming off
it.
as well. I saw that
we
too.
do. If you go to the bottom, you can still see the parts of the wall that are still steaming.
Where's Jody? We can, if you guys, I don't know if you
It's probably really hot, so don't go near it.
Listen,
Okay.
Tanaka, my advice here, like, if I could comment, I'd say just full retreat now. We've covered it.
Yeah.
Let's just go.
All right, so take the builders down to the HQ and we get.
Oh no! An
Oh,
assassin has
we
come.
might as well just. Actually, no, we can't.
An assassin has come and broken the clothing. No!
Just one fucking rope, cut it up, and we all die.
Yeah, blue flares, come
So we
back to
did all
HQ.
that work
Alright.
to build. We did all that work to build just for it to break again.
How the fuck did that happen?
Yeah, this is.
Alright, blue flares.